get some scissors. Go to that big box, look. Look at that big box. You're going to hit it and everything.
Sam, are you excited about this? Let me see it. You've been waiting. You've been waiting for Daddy to come home so you could open this, right?
Let's do it under the light so people can see. Look. So let's take it down here. Right. Where's it from? Do you know? We get the scissors. Watch out, we're going to do it with the scissors.
Be careful.
Come on, you can see like a ball.
Be careful, Mum.
Oh, here comes trouble.
Yay!
Watch out, watch your fingers.
Yay!
Right.
Ow!
Oh, sorry, darling. Let me just do this bit, then you can open it, I think. Go on then, open it. Oh!
Who's that for?
To James!
Can I open it for him?
Yeah.
I love playing with this.
It's not for you, it's for James. Look, James, it's for you. Look. Show him. James.
Whoa! Look at that. Whoa!
Oh.
What is it, Sam?
I'm a teddy bear.
It's a what?
It's a teddy bear.
That's right, a Mets teddy bear. James, have it.
Look, James. Oh, don't touch
James, hold it.
Who's that for?
That's for
James,
Pops.
it's for you.
Let me turn it off now. We'll do another video.